When you're quiet, when your mind is still, life is peaceful. Imagine the rain touching on your skin. Remember the sensation of it. Hear the sound of it. It's naturally happening. You're naturally hearing. You're naturally seeing. Only thing that is unnatural is the moment of thought, when it is associated with your self-image, which is limited, which is a construct. Hear the rain. See the naturality of things happening around you. Feel the sensation of things happening within your body. Your body is free. Your heart is free. Your brain is free. When your mind is quiet, still, when you're alert, when you're attentive, you're free. Freedom is naturally happening. You don't need to label it. You don't need to tell it to someone else. You can just live peacefully, and that is what we call just being. Being in the now, being in the moment, and never questioning 2 seconds ago or 2 seconds later. That is love in action. That is love moving. Let the life move, and you are just observe it. That observation itself is giving meaning to life, creating understanding.